What is going on, everybody? Got a quick video here to share with all of you on how you can turn off the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus a few different ways. The traditional way would be to use this key or button right here. It's what I like to use. But right now, if I press and hold that in, I actually get Bixby popping up here, which is not what I want. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of that. You can actually hold the button in and tell Bixby to turn off the phone. So that is actually one option. But we're going to go ahead and swipe in here to settings. And then you want to scroll down your settings and find this one that says advanced features, and you want to go in there. You find side key, then you can simply change your options right here. If I want to make that a power off, if I choose power off menu, I can make the power or the side key then a power off button. So if I press and hold it, you can see I get the screen that pops up here. And then if I go back to my side key settings and choose Bixby and I press and hold it, then I'm getting Bixby. So there's a couple of options right there. And you can actually do another option here. Let's go to the drop down, like swipe down from the top to get your notifications. So there's a little gear icon right there. Next to that gear is a power option. You can choose that as well to get in there. And you can actually access then the side key settings, go back into that screen we were from that little menu. So there's a couple little, different options there. The other option you could do is press and hold. If you press and hold the side key and the volume down key at the same time, you get the screen right here to power off. So you have several different options there. That's pretty much all I have for you for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share it, and I will see you guys next time.